20 days, 20 facts, one legendary BMW. The E34 M5 wasn't made on a production line like other cars. It was hand-built by engineers in Garching, Germany. Hope I didn't butcher that name. Each car took days to assemble, part by part, checked and tuned by specialists. That's why the E34 M5 feels so special. It's not just fast, it's personal. You can literally feel the craftsmanship in how smooth it revs and how tight it handles. It's not just a performance car, it's a piece of BMW history. Did you enjoy today's fact? Drop another E34 fact I missed, follow, subscribe, like, comment, and tell me which fact hit the hardest. At Beamers Auto, we sell both new and classic Beamers. Plus, we sell parts for old and new BMWs. Looking for your next BMW or the right parts? Give us a call and we got you covered.